video. So now we're going to continue episode 3 by finishing modeling this data. This is a continuation of creating the portfolio, Power BI portfolio for data analyst role. And so let's just continue. The first thing you need to do, hit enter data just under the home bar. Change this column name to be values. So change it to be values, and then right here put sales. Okay, sales. Okay, you put quantity. Okay, put gross profit. Then rename. This is a slice, so SLC stands for slice, and then values. That's it. Load, and you will see your loaded SLC values right here. So the other thing you need to do is now create, we finished modeling now. The thing is we need to come to modeling and create a measure. So this is calculations for our sales and all those quantity, prior, gross profit, all those things. So we need to put this table as name it as measures is equals to, hit enter, and you can see it will give you a column, but don't just go to the column. Right click on measures, new measure, and let's put in the cells. Okay, what we just created right here. So sales is equals to sum. Okay, and then now we can have that one, hit enter, and you got it, new measure as well, and then quantity. Okay, equal to sum, enter. Okay, fact, quantity, close, hit enter. You got quantity, new measure. Now to calculate gross profit that we just we did put here. Okay, let's come here first and then click on SLC. You can see gross profit. We have done sales, quantity. Now we need to do gross profit. Before we do gross profit, we need to calculate the cost of goods first, in order for us to then get a gross profit of. Now let me show you how to do it anyway. No more much talking. Then it's equals to sum cost of goods, enter. Now you got cost of goods there. Now it's easier for me to calculate gross profit. Just put new measure, and it's gross profit. Right, gross profit is equals to sales minus cost of goods. Yeah, that's it. Cost of goods. COGs. Okay. Commit. Now you got the gross profit. We need to hide this COG. We don't need it. We have already calculated our gross profit, and this column we don't need it. So once we've done that, if you want to visualize this data that we just created, click on table and just pull this up, and I'll put it in the middle for now. Okay, and then we can show you gross profit, quantity, and sales. There you go. Okay, now the first thing we need to do after this is come to measures and create the prior year sales. So prior year sales, so just put prior date sales. This is how you calculate it. The first thing that you need to include in the prior year to date sales is calculate. Okay, you calculate sales, comma, this is the expression. The expression is for sales. So the sales, this is what we need. And then from there now, same period last year, and now we will, once we put same period last year, then we can put dim date. Okay, and you'll see it somewhere here, dim date, yeah, there. Okay, now you close it, and then now put comma. You remember when we created that You remember very well, we created a table called in past. So in past, leave date in past should be is equals to true, so that we can eliminate those months that don't have any. Is it right? Okay. So that we can eliminate those particular months that don't have any data. So hit enter, and now you can hit on it, and you can see it's already generated. Now let's create for the others. So new measure. Okay. Sorry about this. Okay, previous year to date for quantity is equals to this particular. You put calculator, and then you can put quantity, because this is the expression. This expression right here, this expression quantity, comma, and then it will remain the same thing that we did. So same year last year, and then now dim date. Okay, and then close bracket, comma, and then dim date again in past is equals to true. That's it. That's what we need. Close bracket, hit enter. Mostly, if you're writing this code, it's better for you if you're working for an organization to write a clean DAX. So just let's clean it up, okay? We have already created this, so let's leave this alone and come create the gross profit. Okay, so pay prior year to date profit, right? Now is equals to calculate, right? Okay, right here I don't need to put calculate there, so up I just put. Okay, let me just go back, then shift enter and put calculate. Once I put calculate, I can then put my expression there. So shift enter, and now I can put gross profit. Okay, hit enter, and then now comma shift enter, can put our uh, particulars there, which is same year last year, which is dim date. Okay, date, close, comma, shift enter. We can put dim date in the past equals to true. Okay, now shift enter, back, close bracket. This is now how a clean DAX looks like, code looks like. Hit enter, you got all of them now. Okay, let's minimize that. Let's come here, click there, and add the gross profit and quantity. Okay, now as you can see, we have already upgraded to this level, and now join me in the next episode as we continue creating this portfolio together. It's very easy, as you can see. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I will answer. Join me in my next video as we proceed to create our visuals. And of course, before we create our visuals, we need to create the switches, and yep. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like this video just in case you like it.